How's everyone doing again on this nice rainy afternoon? Hello to all my internet peoples, everybody else, followers, subscribers, all that. Right now I'm going to be showing you 2011 BMW X3 28i X drive, 4-wheel drive, 80,000 miles, mint conditions, nice red burgundy mix between two. Exterior beige interior. Just go around and show you the body on this baby. It's really nice truck. Tires about 50%, so you still got some threading on the body. Very nice small SUV. It's like a mini version of the X5. I came around to it. It's nice. It's a nice truck. It's a nice little truck. Front is nice. Missing a little cover right there. I will be adding that. I just haven't yet, but it will be. So don't worry about that. Nice truck. Good video. Check out the interior. Really nice. Nice panoramic roof. Beige interior. You got that BMW shifter right there. Really nice digital shifter. Dual climate control, USB, has smart key, push to start. This car's got, where's this? What's right here? Like I said, yeah, 80,000 miles. So really good on miles. You got reverse camera on there. Oh my God, can you leave me alone? It's calling. Nice. Check out the condition is immaculate on this truck. Very nice. You got also seat warmers in the front, and you also got seat warmers in the back. So that's pretty chévere. Oh, by the way, this thing's also got so you got a little shading back here. If you care about that, so you can have it like that, or like this. You got the retractable cover in the back. Nice amount of space. Very nice amount of space. That way can't see nothing. So you have it. 2011 BMW X3. Really good condition. Come check us out. BuyRightAutoCenter.com. A real good price on this baby. Peace and love.